taste it. That's kiwi. You taste it first.
Try it.
Try it.
First. It's good.
I don't like
Ah.
It tastes like a mango.
Mm.
You like mango, right? No?
It's avocado. It's like avocado. You taste it.
See? You like it?
On the throat.
You like it? You like it? Yeah?
You didn't have no choice.
I told you. I told you it's good. Taka?
Oh, this is kiwi. Oh, you see the kiwi? It's like this.
No, I want it.